A federal Capital Territory High Court judge has warned an Abuja-based lawyer, Victor Giwa, against seeking any private meeting with the court while his case is ongoing. Justice Jude Onwuegbuzie issued the warning on Monday after the trial of Giwa and his co-defendant, Ibitade Bukola, failed to proceed due to the absence of defense counsel and concerns over an alleged attempt by Giwa to meet the judge in chambers before the hearing. Giwa and Bukola are facing charges of alleged forgery and impersonation. The prosecution claims they forged official documents and impersonated a senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Awa Kalu, in a bid to mislead the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation into withdrawing an earlier criminal charge against Giwa. At the hearing, prosecuting counsel, Silas, appeared for the Inspector General of Police. Giwa told the court that his lead counsel, Ibrahim Idris, SAN, was recovering from prostate surgery. The second defendant was represented by Ogbu Aboje, while Levi E. Nwoye appeared for the complainant. The court raised concerns over reports that Giwa attempted to arrange a private meeting with the judge before the case was called. Giwa said he only suggested a meeting involving the prosecution and counsel to the second defendant, with the court registrar present, insisting that it was professional and ethical. Justice Onwuegbuzie disagreed and asked whether it was proper for a defendant to seek such a meeting while a case was pending. Giwa admitted that it was not. Silas confirmed that Giwa approached him regarding the proposed meeting but said he declined because the purpose was not disclosed. He described the move as unethical and inappropriate. Reacting, the judge described the incident as shocking and warned that the court would not tolerate any attempt by a defendant to approach a judge in chambers over a pending case. On the adjournment request, the prosecution said the hearing date had been fixed at Giwa's request and cited a letter dated December 10, 2025, seeking January hearing dates. Silas relied on the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, arguing that Giwa had caused several delays and urged the court to award costs for wasting judicial time. Giwa opposed the request, citing his constitutional right to counsel of his choice. He described the application for costs as mischievous and said he did not benefit from the adjournments. Counsel to the second defendant supported his position. In his ruling, Justice Onwuegbuzie said he was dissatisfied with the conduct of the defense, noting that senior lawyers ought to have junior counsel available to appear when necessary. Although he found the explanations unsatisfactory, he said the court would bend backwards in the interest of justice. Despite finding no compelling reason for an adjournment, the judge granted one, to fulfill all righteousness. The case was adjourned to January 21, 2026, for continuation of hearing.